Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, thank you for
Subscribe.
sharing my videos. Thank you. I'm going to be taking you on a tutorial how I achieve this lipstick on my thumbnail. So
Subscribe.
watch, enjoy, and learn something today. So I went in with my flawless lip palette, which I showed you from the starting of this video, and the classic lip stain in Thunder. The shade is Thunder. So I'm going with that flat brush. I'm lining my lips with the Thunder lipstick, the classic lip stain in Thunder. So I'm lining my lips gradually without making a mistake. So I'm trying to get the correct lining. I'm a little bit overlining the top layer of my lips. So I'm taking it gently down the lips. So I'm still lining the lips now. Still lining it. So after lining the top, now I'm going to go down to the bottom of the lips now to do the same to achieve that ombre look. To my returning subscribers, please continue to like, continue to share, continue to like my videos, and may the Lord continue to bless you. Please share my videos. Please tell your friends about my videos. Tell them that Shini's Glam is here to give them every tips they need on makeup. I'm going to be offering all the makeup tutorial that you want. So stay glued to my channel. Stay glued to my channel to learn more and more and more. So I'm going in with my flawless makeup lip palette again. I'm taking that brown shade to smudge the lip stain that I've already applied. So I'm going to use it to blend it properly. I'm blending it properly to make sure that there is no harsh line when I am going to apply the second lip stain. So I'm going to use it to blend it very well. Not everyone likes that very dark shade as their liner, so I'm trying to blend it very properly so it lightens the brown shade that I already used. So I'm using another color in the lip palette, a color closer to the brown. So that's what I used. It's a bit lighter than this lip stain that I used, so I'm using it to blend the lips properly before I go in with the other color that I'm going to use to achieve that sweet looking I don't know what to say. Okay, continue to watch. I'm sure you'll learn one or two. So again, I'm going to go with this classic lip stain in natural nude. The shade is natural nude with that flat brush, just a little small brush. So I'm going to apply the lip stain on my lips now. So you see I'm applying it now. Look at that effect it's giving. So I'm trying to mix it now. I'm mixing it together and I'm smacking my lips together. So it gives that flawless finish so that there will be no demarcation between the brown shade and the nude shade which I just applied. So you see, I'm trying to apply more for it to pop very well. So I'm smacking my lips now to make it pop. Sure, you see that there's no demarcation between the brown and the nude. So that's what I'm trying to achieve. I'm blending it properly. So that demarcation, there'll be no demarcation. So it's blended very well. So I'm blending it now. If you want it to pop more than this, and if you want your brown shade to be a little lesser, you have to apply more natural nude, apply more nude lipsticks to it, then you blend properly. So I'm going in from the one in my lipstick palette now, a color that is a bit lighter than this. So I'm going in with it again to apply it, and I'm smacking my lips to give it that look that I want. Don't you just love this lip stain? Don't you love it already? It's so beautiful. So beautiful. You should try it. It's a very simple process which I just listed for you. Now You can actually do it. Rock it to that party. Rock it to that occasion that you want. It's a very calm lipstick look that you can try like this. So continue watching. So we see I'm still trying to blend. I'm blending it properly. Blending it properly. As a beginner, this is makeup tutorial for you. This is a lip stain tutorial for you. So share with your friends, learn, continue to practice every day. So I'm going in with that yellow shade on that lipstick palette now. Going in with that yellow shade. I'm going to use it in the center of the lips to give it that another look, another effect. I'm mixing it together with it. You're going to see the result it's going to give now. Very mind blowing. Shall you see? Oh, can you see that look? Can you see that look? Can you see the effect it gives? It has given the lips now. Very, very beautiful. You can see that for yourself. Very, very beautiful. See, I'm about to feel myself now. Watch out. I'm overwhelmed by the effect it's giving. Oh, see, I'm feeling myself. Oh, it's so beautiful. It suits me so well. So I'm still trying to blend so that there's no demarcation. So beautiful. You see, I'm smiling. So beautiful. So you see, I'm still trying to blend in. So should we go with this natural look like this, or should gloss it? I thought of leaving it this way. So I said, okay, if you want to leave it this way, you can leave it this way. If you want to gloss it, you can also gloss it. So you see, I'm going to gloss it at the end. So see, now I'm trying to define the lips, and I'm taking up all the excess, any side that is not being straight. I'm trying to correct the lips, and I'm defining it, trying to correcting it, and I'm defining the lips. You see that ombre effect it gives. See, I'm still defining it now. I'm defining the under of the lips. So and then you see that there will be no mistake. See, the lips is coming out very, very straight. There are no mistakes. So I use my concealer. You can use concealer for this lip definition, but what I use the foundation of my color to define my lips, so I can easily blend it when I'm blending in with my powder and the rest. So you see, I'm still trying to blend it. Please like, subscribe, share my videos. I'm sure it's what you like to see. So continue to watch, continue to share. Thank you. So you see, I'm defining the up of the lips now. Defining the lips. So you see how beautiful it looks. Don't it look beautiful? See how beautiful it looks. Oh my God. I'm already in love with these lips. You can rock it to any event. You can rock it for your bride. You can do this type of lips for your bride, for a traditional look, a bridal look, just how you apply it that matters. So you can rock this lipstick look for a birthday shoot. So it's just a lipstick look you can rock to any event of your choice. So you see, I'm still trying to define it very properly, so everything comes out clean. So you see, I'm trying to blend it using my small beauty sponge now to remove all the concealer, all the effects, the foundation and the rest. So I'm trying to just remove them with my small beauty sponge. That's what I'm very, very conversant in using than the brush. So you see how beautiful it looks. Should we leave it this way or should we use the lip gloss? So that's the classic lip gloss, clear gloss that I'm going to use. That's what I'm using now to actually gloss the lips. So you see how beautiful it comes through. So beautiful. Thank you for watching. I'm sure that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please share with your friends, share with your family. Thank you. Continue to share Chini's Glam Words channel. May the Lord continue to bless you. See how the loops comes out. So beautiful. Don't you just love it? I think I'm in love with this. I think I'm in love with it as it's glossy. And it's so beautiful this way also. So you can rock both anyhow you want it. You can rock both. Thank you for watching this tutorial, this lipstick tutorial. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye. Love you.